Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Dr. Manha English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Manha.
And I'm Umar. Hi, Manha. How are you today?
Hi, Umar. I'm doing great. Thank you. So happy to be here with you. How about you? How's your day going?
I'm fantastic, Manha. Really good. Excited for our chat today.
Me too. Our topic today is super special, I think. It's about family.
Oh, I love that. Family is so important, right?
Absolutely. Before we jump in, a quick reminder, everyone listening.
All right. Manha, should we start talking about our families?
Let's do it. Let's begin with a basic question. How many people are there in your family?
There are 5 people in my family. I live with my parents, my brother, my sister, and me.
Very good. That answer is clear and natural. Another question is, do you have a big family or a small family?
I have a small family, but we are very close to each other.
Excellent. Close families spend a lot of time together and support one another. Now, let us practice some useful words. Mother, father, brother, sister, son, daughter, grandfather, and grandmother.
These are important family words. I hear them often in daily conversation.
Yes, and you can use them in simple sentences. For example, my mother is kind. My father works hard. My brother helps me with homework.
Those sentences are easy to remember.
Correct. Now listen to this question. What does your mother do?
My mother takes care of the home and helps the family every day.
Good. That is a respectful and warm answer. Now another question. What does your father do?
My father works in an office and supports our family.
You answered that very naturally. Let us practice listening. My sister likes reading books.
My sister likes reading books.
Good. My brother enjoys playing football.
Very nice. Repeating short sentences like this helps improve listening and speaking at the same time.
It also helps me remember new words more easily.
Exactly. Let's talk about grandparents. Do you live with your grandparents?
No, I do not live with my grandparents, but I visit them often. Good. Or you can say, my grandparents live in another city.
My grandparents live in another city.
Great. Family conversation often includes daily activities, too. What do you do with your family on weekends?
On weekends, we eat together, talk about our week, and sometimes watch a movie.
Wonderful. That sounds like a happy family routine. Another question is, who do you spend the most time with at home?
I spend the most time with my mother and my brother.
Good. Family English becomes easier when you speak from real life. Now, repeat after me. I love my family.
I love my family.
My family supports me.
We enjoy spending time together.
Excellent. These short sentences are very useful in daily conversation. Now let us make the practice a little longer. Tell me about your family.
I come from a loving family. There are 4 people in my home. My parents care for us, and my sister and I help each other.
Very nice. That is a complete and natural answer. Another question is, how does your family help you?
My family helps me by giving advice, encouraging me, and supporting my goals.
That shows strong English and a clear idea. Now let us talk about family roles. Who cooks in your home?
My mother usually cooks, and sometimes my father helps in the kitchen.
Good answer.
Who helps with cleaning?
We all help with cleaning. Everyone does a small part.
Good. That shows teamwork at home. Family is not only about living together, it is also about helping one another.
That is true. A family works well when everyone shares responsibilities.
Exactly. Now, here is another useful sentence. My family is important to me because they care about my future.
My family is important to me because they care about my future.
Good. Let us practice one more listening line. My cousin is very funny.
My cousin is very funny.
My aunt lives nearby.
My uncle visits us on holidays.
Good. That is a clear and natural answer. Now, listen carefully. My family helps me make better choices.
We talk about our problems at home.
Very nice. These are simple sentences, but they are very useful in daily conversation. How do you spend holidays with your family?
We spend holidays together by visiting relatives, eating special food, and enjoying family time.
Great answer. That sounds friendly and natural. Another question is, what kind of family member are you?
I am a helpful and responsible family member. I try to support my family in small ways every day.
That answer shows good character. I respect my parents. I enjoy spending time at home. Wonderful. Repetition like this helps build confidence. Now, let us move to another question. What do you do when your family member feels sad?
When a family member feels sad, I listen to them, comfort them, and try to support them.
Very good. That is kind and thoughtful. Another question is, how do you celebrate birthdays in your family?
We celebrate birthdays with cake, gifts, and a small family gathering.
That is a simple and complete answer. Now, listen to this. My family makes every day special.
My family makes every day special.
Great. We laugh and talk together.
Ooh, good. These short expressions are perfect for listening practice. Now, let us practice a longer answer. What do you admire about your family?
I admire my family because they are loving, patient, and supportive. They encourage me to do my best and stay positive.
Excellent. That is a strong answer. Another useful question is, who is the most cheerful person in your family?
My younger sister is the most cheerful person in my family because she always brings happiness to the home.
Nice. That adds personality to your answer. Now, let us practice one more set of listening lines. My parents work hard for the family.
That is a simple and complete answer. Now listen to this. My family makes every day special.
My family makes every day special.
Great. We laugh and talk together.
Good. These short expressions are perfect for listening practice. Now let us practice a longer answer. What do you admire about your family?
I admire my family because they are loving, patient, and supportive. They encourage me to do my best and stay positive.
Excellent. That is a strong answer. Another useful question is, who is the most cheerful person in your family? My younger sister is the most cheerful person in my family because she always brings happiness to the home. Nice! That adds personality to your answer. Now let us practice one more set of listening lines. My parents work hard for the family.
My brother and I study together. My grandmother gives us loving advice.
These are very helpful sentences for daily English. Now, here is another question. What do you do to make your family happy?
I try to make my family happy by being polite, helpful, and responsible.
Good. That is a mature answer. Another question is, how does your family help you improve?
My family helps me improve by encouraging me, correcting my mistakes, and supporting my goals.
That is exactly the kind of answer that sounds natural in everyday English. Now listen carefully. My family believes in me.
We learn from each other.
We stay connected through love and care. That is a natural and warm answer. Another useful question is, who is the most helpful person in your family?
My mother is the most helpful person in my family because she always supports everyone and solves problems calmly.
Now, listen carefully. My family teaches me good habits.
We share everything with each other.
Wonderful. Those are easy and useful sentences. What do you do when your family gives you advice?
When my family gives me advice, I listen carefully and try to follow it because I know they want the best for me.
Good. That shows respect and understanding. Another question is, how do you help your family in daily life?
I help my family by keeping things organized, finishing my work on time, and doing small tasks at home.
That is a responsible answer. I listen to my parents.
I care about my family.
I try to be a good family member.
These sentences are simple, but they sound strong in conversation. My sister and I help each other.
My father encourages me to study well.
My grandmother tells kind stories.
Now, let us move to a longer answer. What makes your family special?
My family is special because we respect one another, support each other, and spend meaningful time together.
Nice. That is a clear and thoughtful response. Another question is, what do you and your family talk about?
We talk about school, work, plans for the week, and things that happen in our daily lives.
Great answer. That sounds very real and practical. Now listen to this. We solve problems as a team.
We celebrate success together.
Family life is a great topic for English because it connects to real emotions and everyday actions. Another question is, who do you miss when they are away from home?
I miss my family members when they are away because our home feels quieter without them.
Good. That sounds honest and natural. Now, let us practice one more useful question. What lesson did your family teach you?
My family taught me to be honest, respectful, and hardworking.
Good. Those sentences are perfect for daily practice. Now, let us continue with another question. What do you enjoy most about family time?
I enjoy talking, laughing, and sharing meals with my family the most.
Wonderful. That answer is simple and easy to remember. Another question is, how does your family inspire you?
My family inspires me by working hard, staying positive, and always trying their best.
That is a very good response. My family is my strength.
We understand each other.
We grow together. These are beautiful sentences for speaking practice. Let's continue with one more question. How would you describe a loving family? These short sentences are very useful in daily conversation.
Try to speak about your own family in simple English.
The more you practice, the more confident you will feel.
Thank you so much for listening to Dr. Manha English Channel.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please like this video.
Share it with your friends who want to learn English.
And do not forget to subscribe to Dr. Manha English Channel.
We create simple English podcasts to help you speak confidently.
Keep practicing,
Keep learning.
and never stop improving your English.
Until then,
Keep listening, keep speaking. Goodbye, and take care.